Good morning children. Today second class mathematics. Yesterday we discussed about what do you mean by flat shapes and what do you mean by solid shapes. I think you all have completed that notes in your maths notebook. Today we have to start, that is textbook page number 103, exercise 5.1. Here they given some questions. We have to read, understand and finish the answers. Before going to start this class, everyone, how many members did you learn? Raise your hands, children. How many members did you learn the solid shapes? How many members did you learn the flat shapes? Okay, who are raising the hands? Those all are very good. Remaining all are very bad. You are not following the class. Now onwards, at least you have to read and write what I am saying in the classroom. Then you will get maths is very easy. Okay. Then everyone open your textbook page number 103. Here they given some examples here. See, textbook, plate, cube, and they given some more. What they given shapes names: circle, square, rectangle. So they are asking match the shapes with it related. Textbook is equal to rectangle, so they kept matching. Next, plate is related to circle, so here to here you can do the matching with pencil. Next, square is the example for dice, so here to here draw a line, take with the pencil. Okay, finish this one. After this exercise 5.1, I am reading the question. See in your books, everyone. Keep all your notebooks one on top of the other. Here they mentioned like that. Take your notebooks at least 5 to 6 and you have to keep one up another one like this. And they should all be of the same size. You have to take all books are same in size. If you are keep one big, one small, one big means it will not look like a nice. So you have to take all same size of books and you can keep one by one. Then observe. What shape do you get? What shape do you get? They given cuboid. Cuboid spelling C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Next, what is the flat shape you see on the top of the face? You are keeping books like this. On the top, what you are observing? What is the shape of the top book? So it is the shape of rectangle. So write on the rectangle spelling. First one, they given cuboid. Say everyone along with me, cuboid spelling, children. C-U-B-O-I-D. Already they given. Next, what is the shape of the flat shape? Do you see on top of the book? Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Second one. Ask your parents to give you 10 5 rupee coins. Keep all the coins one on top of the other. Here they are arranging 10 5 rupee coins and they are asking what shape do you get? How it is in the shape of? It is in the shape of like cylinder. Say the cylinder spelling, children. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. What is the flat shape you see on its top face? Up. What you are observing here? It is in the form of circle. It is in the shape of circle. Next, third one. Take your dice from your Ludo game. Keep them joined together. Then place your more dice on the top of each dice. Here they kept one dice after another dice, one by one. And what they are asking, which shape did you get? Did you get cube shape? Why? Because dice is in the shape of square. Two squares making in one place, keeping one place means we will get cube. And what is the flat shape you see on its sides? There you are observing square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Okay. Up to here completed. Now see textbook page number 104. They give a roll on slide. Roll on slide. First of all, do you know what do you mean by roll? For example, chalk piece is there. I am throwing the chalk piece on the bench on the floor like this. What it will do? It will be rotate like that only. It stand like this. It cannot stand. It will be only roll. If you throw like this means, see, if you throw like this means it is roll. So which objects are moving continuously? That is known as rolling. Okay. And slide. Slide is nothing but here one duster is there. What is this children? Duster. Just I am throwing the duster. What will be? It will do. The duster will be like this. Sit in one place. Means it is slide. Which objects cannot move continuously? That is known as slide. Okay. For example, you have to take ball and throw on the floor and you have to observe. It will be roll or slide. The ball is continuously rolling. It cannot slide. Okay. So, ball is the example for roll. And take your compass. Do you have everyone boxes? And you have to throw it on the floor, on the bench, on the desk and you have to observe. The box cannot move continuously. It will be stopped like that only. It is known as slide. For example, birthday cap is there. Birthday cap and cylinders, some like things. What they will do? If you roll like this, if you throw like sleeping means it will be roll continuously. And if you keep like this means it will be slide. So, the birthday cap is the example for both roll and slide. Okay. It is the difference between roll and slide, and roll and slide both. Here, they given, see here. Take a ball, push it. Does it roll or slide? What the ball will do? The ball will roll. First one, we have to write down roll spelling. Say along with me roll spelling children. R-O-L-L, roll. And take a box, push it. Does it roll or slide? Slide. Say the slide spelling. S-L-I-D-E, slide. Next, take a birthday cap, push it. Does it roll or slide, or does it roll and slide? Okay. It is roll and slide. Both. Why we are using and means when you are using and it will be roll and compulsory it will be slide. Then only you can use and. If you are using or means it will be roll or slide. It will be do any one thing. When we are using and, it will be do two actions. That is one roll and one slide. Next, exercise 5.2. Based on this roll and slide. Okay. See here, exercise 5.2. Try rolling or sliding the following objects. Take the objects that roll and put cross mark against the objects that slide. Circle those that can both roll and slide. Here first they given crayon. What is this children? Crayon. Crayon, it should be only roll. It should be only roll. They given one circle. In this circle put tick mark. and a suitcase or bag. It will be slide. First one, 5 rupee coin. It will be both roll and slide. Okay, means they given 5 rupee coin. For this you can keep circle. For this 5 rupee coin you have to keep circle. Next book. Book is slide. Keep wrong mark in the given circle. Next, water bottle or any cool drink bottle. It will be both roll and slide. Okay, for this bottle you have to keep circle. Why? Because it is both roll and slide. Next, this watermelon. It will be roll. So, put tick mark in the given circle. Next, box. Box is the example for slide. Put tick mark. And the top. Top means this one. Top is the example for roll. It will be roll. Okay. Up to here page number 104. You have to finish this. This is your homework today. Open your textbook page number 103 and 104. You have to finish exercise 5.1 and 5.2 up to this box. This is your homework today. Today your homework is complete in textbook page number 103 and 104. This is your homework today. Thank you.